May I ask all the guests to please be seated?
Nahilo yan. Nahilo yan. Mahina na sila. Ito ko na lang.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Now, may I begin by welcoming you all here today to this lovely setting of the wedding of Ali and Estelle. Well, today marks the new beginning in their lives together as husband and wife, and it means a lot to both of them. Now, that you, their families, and friends are here to witness their wedding vows and to celebrate their marriage. Ladies and gentlemen, before we formally begin this wedding ceremony for Ali and Estelle, together can we give our groom and our bride a big round of applause, please. Palakpakan po natin. And you see, today is a very special day because we are all gathered here to witness this union of two hearts. The two hearts that chose to be this morning. That is you, Ali and Estelle. Now, at this very moment of your life, both of you just try to remember that marriage is love. Marriage is trust. Marriage is respect. Marriage is partnership. And of course, that marriage is relationship. Now, according to the Family Code of the Philippines, marriage is an inviolable social institution, a family foundation, Ali, a permanent and lifetime agreement between the husband and the wife. What I mean is that ang pagpapakasal ay permanent yun. Lifetime. Ito'y panghabang buhay. And according to the Gospel of John 15:12-13, that this is my commandment, that you need to love one another as I have loved you. And of course, that there is no more greater love than this. And this is my love, the unconditional love of Christ for us. Now, Ali, Estelle, please stand, both of you. I want you to face each other as you join your hands, both hands. Can you please bow your heads and close your eyes for a while? Now, I record church tribute as you stand in the presence of God, before all the secrets of all hearts are disclosed. Gracious God bless Ali and Estelle, who have come to join in marriage, that they may give their vows in each other, in the strength and the spirit of first love. Now, you may now look in the eyes of one another. Now, Ali, sir, can you hold your microphone? Now, may I ask you to answer truthfully my following questions. Ali, did you come here on your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, of course.
And did you take Estelle your presence to become her lawful wedded wife?
Yes, I do.
Everyone, he said yes. Can we give her groom a big round of applause, please? And how about the bride? So, Estelle, can you hold your microphone? Estelle, did you come here on your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, I do.
And did you take Ali here present to become her lawful wedded husband?
Yes, I do.
And that is acceptance also. Everyone, can we give her beautiful bride a big round of applause? Now, Ali, sir, as you look at her, I want you to say after me. So, Ali, please say I.
I,
Your name.
Ali Omairat,
Accept you.
accept you,
Mention her name
Estelle Guerrero,
to become my lawful
to become a lawful
wedded wife,
wedded wife,
to love and to cherish
to love and cherish
forever and ever.
forever and ever.
Estelle, please say after me. So hold your microphone once. Estelle, please say I.
I,
Your name.
Estelle Guerrero,
Accept you.
accept you,
Mention his name
Ali Omairat,
to become my lawful
to become my lawful
wedded husband,
wedded husband,
to love and to cherish
to love and to cherish
forever and ever.
forever and ever.
And now, please hold the microphone together in the middle. And at the same time, both of you, please say after me. So together say, grant us, O Lord,
Grant us, O
to
Lord,
become one heart and one soul.
become one heart and one soul.
From this day forward,
from these days forward,
for better and for worse,
for better and for worse,
for richer and for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
for the abundance and needs,
for the abundance and needs,
for the strengths and sorrows,
for the strength and sorrow,
and sickness and in health,
and sickness and health,
and until death do us part.
and until death do us part.
Can I have the microphone for a while? Now, can I ask for the ring bearer to please hand me the wedding rings?
Ring bearer. And show.
Ali, before we proceed, of course, to this tradition, the exchange of rings, and to the giving of vows and promises for one another, first, I just want you to listen carefully to what I'm saying. Kaya makinig lang kayo mabuti, Estelle, sa lahat ng sasabihin ko. Na Ali, Estelle, now the most important part of your marriage, you must first put Christ in the center of your relationship, Ali, as you cope your everyday lives together as husband and wife. Siyempre, Estelle, wala nang masihigit pa ngayon sa buhay niyo ni Ali, ngayon bilang ganap na mag-asawa. Na kundi, Estelle, yung paglalagay mo sa Diyos sa pagitan ninyo, habang haharapin mo na ito na bilang ganap na may asawa, siyempre sa mata ng ating Diyos. Well, second, you must be very loyal to one another at all times. Especially, Ali, when the times come for you that Estelle is not beside, then you must remember your promises for her, for your wife, for Estelle. And Estelle, of course, you must hold on to your commitment for him. Ngayon, Estelle, yung mga panahon, dapat mo rin panghawakan lahat ng pananagutan mo para kay Ali, para sa amin ang bubuo mong pamilya bilang ganap na may asawa. Lastly, you just need to be very open for one another. Remember, communication is one of the most important factor in marriage. And of course, Ali, can you hold this microphone? Today, I'm going to ask you about this very common question nowadays. That both of you can answer me with a yes if you agree. But it's alright to answer me no. Well, if that is your opinion, I'm not going to change that. So, Ali, do you really believe that forever exists? Do you really believe in forever?
I do.
Of course, he said yes. Everyone, can we give our groom a big round of applause? But how about the bride? Estelle, do you also believe that forever exists for you?
Yes.
And of course, she said yes. Palakpakan naman po natin ating napakagaling. Now, I do believe in the both of you. And of course, you both agree that forever do really exist. That I think your main reason why, well, like the other couples out there, they help one another right now. And like the both of you, Ali, Estelle, both of you, you help one another right now. Diba, Estelle, meron kayo ng bawat isa sa mga saglit ng buhay mo ngayon. That's why you really believe forever do really exist for the both of you. And because, ladies and gentlemen, that's why they said, yan din po yung pinakadahilan ng ibang couple po na meron tayo sa kasalukuyan. Well, sabi nga po nila, kahit ano pa daw klaseng ulan, bagyo, init ng panahon, kahit anong problema pa daw po yan ang umabot at dumating sa atin. Siguro nga po, basta ang mahal natin sa buhay ay katulad po nilang dalawa, ni Ali and Estelle. Kung nasa tabi rin natin sila, kasama natin sila, baka po pati tayo maniwala rin may forever para sa atin. You know what, everyone, we believe forever exists. That is because of love or yung pag-ibig. But believe me, kuminsan din po nang dahil sa pag-ibig. Meron din dyan ibang taong minsang nasaktan, iniiwan, napangakuan yung minahal nila, pag di po natupad, di na yan nagmahal ulit. Takot na pong maniwalang may forever pang darating para sa kanila. So we call them nowadays the bitter ones who doesn't believe forever exists. Mga bitter po na nagsasabing, walang forever para sa tao. Sa Pilipinas, may forever lang sa atin yung traffic. Yung po ang sabi nila. That's why they said. But you know what? Ali, Estelle, in our life's reality, forever is just a word and not a place. So I want you to remember, marriage life is like traveling. Estelle, parang paglalakbay lang yan. It's not really about the destination, Ali and Estelle, because the most important part of your marriage, how much you enjoy each other company as you travel every day of your life with one another, going through your forever. Remember, there is no such thing as perfect wedding, but there is a successful marriage. Of course, there's no also perfect relationships. Even every relationship has ups and downs. The ones who make it through are the ones who really love. As marriage is where each partner is there to support each other in all that they do. Marriage requires closeness and distance, and the closest of a couple that growing together, and enough distance to allow each partner to be an individual. Well, in such marriage, will be loving, caring, and above all, a best friend. Because the basis for a lasting and strong relationship of a husband and wife is your friendship. Estelle, Yun yung pagkakaibigan ninyo. So Ali, sir, can you hold your microphone once again? And before you give this ring for her, and say after me, I'm giving you a moment, Ali. Today, you can say our vows for her. Sure. Yes.
To my wife, Estelle Garecho Omayrat, before I begin with stating my promises and vows, I want to thank your mom, Gina Garecho, and your dad, John, for bringing you to this world. And to get right to the point, I want to start by saying, in front of all of these beautiful people, I love you. I love you very much. I will promise you to keep all the sadness and negativity away and to try my best to replace it with a smile on your face. I will do my best. No, I will promise to be the clouds that pours all the relief upon you. I will be growing everything in me, my talent, my presence, my humor. But one thing will remain very limited is my boredom towards you. Let me start 2025 right by loving you very, very much. I love you.
Everyone, can we give her a big round of applause? Can I have your vow, Ali? Just hold the microphone once again, Ali. And hold this wedding ring. On her left, I want you to say after me. So mention her name first. Estelle,
Estelle,
wear this ring
wear this ring
as the sign of my love
as the sign of my love
and fidelity to you
and fidelity to you
forever and ever.
forever and ever.
Go ahead, Ali. Everyone, palakpakan po ulit natin ang ating. Now, let's have a bride, ma'am, to hold your microphone. And I tell you this today, ma'am, to say your vows and promises for you and to share it with us.
I hate talking. Hello, babe. Well, we are finally here. One of your promises is being fulfilled. You just made everything possible. Just a little backstory. So I'm the kind of a long-term relationship kind of girl. I believe that you need to really know the person before anything else. But who would have thought that this guy in front of me changed everything? I took the biggest risk of my life. It was pandemic. We met, dated, got engaged, and got married within 6 months. Yes, guys, you heard it right. We did everything in 6 months. And to make it more quick, is that after we got married, I started my military career. 2 months military training with only maybe a 5-minute call per week. Communication mostly through letters, like very old fashioned. The next thing you know, I'm heading to Japan for my first assignment. So after marriage, we were apart for almost a year and it was really tough. But here we are, facing each other again, stronger than ever. With our loved ones, to witness that we really made it through. I know it's not every day that we will understand each other due to our differences. But at the end of the day, it's always clear to me that whatever happens, I will always choose you. Almost 5 years from now, I just made the greatest risk of my life. So thank you for everything, especially for your patience. Every day you make sure that I'm the happiest wife alive. As I told you this most of the times, but I won't get tired of it. Reminding you, but since the days that you said I do, that you won't be alone anymore. You will always have me to support you, believing in you. I will make sure to give the love and care that you deserve, and I know you deserve everything. So I can't wait to travel more with you. I love you.
Everyone, can you give our beautiful bride a big round of applause? Now, that's why I want you to hold this wedding ring now on his lap, and please say after me. Mention his name first, Ali.
Ali,
Accept this ring
accept this ring
as the symbol
as the symbol
of my endless love
of my endless love
and commitment to you
and commitment to you
forever and ever.
forever and ever.
Can I have the microphone? Go ahead. Everyone, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating bride. Now, I would like to request the parents of the bride, please stand. Mommy and Daddy, please stand right there. Kayo lang po kayo dyan. Now, Ethel, I want you to look at your mom and dad right there. Harap ka lang sa kanila. Now, let's have first the father of the bride. Sir, magandang hapon para sa iyo. Sir, can you hold this microphone? Sir, eto na po yung araw. Baka may gusto po kayo sabihin para sa prinsesa mo. And if you want to say something for Ali, go ahead, sir.
Do I have to say anything special or? Well, I just want to wish them and Lord this union to last forever. So we love you and we want to be told after that. So, my daughter, we have to let you know, and you deserve Ali, and he's been with you and supported before everything ever did.
All right, and everyone, can you give the father of the bride a big round of applause? And of course, and everyone, palakpakan din po natin ang mga victory.
Hindi kaya.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Just for
Ganda ng view. Ganda ng ano. Ganda ng ano sa
Okay. Everyone, palakpakan ulit natin ang mommy at ang daddy po ng ating bride. But mama, sir, please remain standing just right here for a while. Ali, Estelle, can you face me for a while? And I'm sure, Ali, even though your parents are not here with us today, for you, I'm sure they want to say as Estelle's father said for the both of you. Now, Ali, Estelle, especially Estelle, narinig mo naman siguro yung sinabi ng daddy mo, and I'm sure hindi mo nakapagsalita yung mami mo ngayon, pero alam ko marami rin siyang gustong sabihin para sa'yo. And Estelle, alam mo ba, kasi sila yung mga natatanging tao na nandito ngayon sa araw ng kasal mo. May mas nakakakilala sa iyo ng lubusan. Kasi sila yung pamilya at magulang mo. And bawat isa sa kanila alam yung kalakasan at kailangan mo. And Estelle, sila lang din yung mga natatanging tao, yung may mas experience kaysa sa inyo ni Ali. Kasi in a way, yung mga napagdaanan nila noon na bilang ganap na may asawa. Estelle, just try to compare sa mga naging experience mo kasama mo si Ali habang mag-boyfriend, mag-girlfriend pa lamang. Kaya sa atin naman, nobyo at nobya kung tawagin, wala pa yun doon sa mga kalahati at nagawa nila sa kanilang buhay na bilang ganap na may asawa. Kaya yung mga pinapaalala nila sa iyo, Estelle, kahit yung bata ka pa lang, pati na rin yung sinabi nila dito sa akin, lagi nilalagay sa puso. Nakasensitive ka po, Estelle. And a while ago, I said, umihinga sa kanila, di ba, habang nagsasalita sila. Kasi gusto kong makita mo yung bawat reaction nila. And as you can see, based on the reactions, nakangiti naman yung mga labi nila. Kasi gusto nilang makita mo, Estelle, sa araw na ito na masaya sila. Kasi yung batang pinalaki, binihisan, pinagkain, pinag-aral nila, nasa harapan na nila ngayon. Nakikita nilang meron nang narating sa buhay at magtataguyod na rin ang kanilang sariling pamilya. Pero bawat isa sa kanila, Estelle, ang mami at daddy mo, sa bawat pag-ngiti niya na yun, yung puso niya meron niyang kirot na nararamdaman. Kasi ikaw, babae, lilisanin mo rin ang iyong pamilya para sumama kay Ali. Ali, this wedding means one thing for you. You're very special for Estelle. Because she chose you as her priority than for her family. Estelle, hindi ibig sabihin sa pagbuo mo ng pamilya, kakalimutan mo na sila. Ha? Kasi kung wala sila, wala ka rin dito sa araw na ito.
Masakit
Kaya Estelle, bibigyan kita ng ilang sandali. Yung simpleng paghalik at pagyakap mo sa kanila ngayon bilang pasasalamat para yun sa mga sakripisyo at yung pagmamahal nilang inalay sa iyo. Estelle, ito na yung araw para ibalik mo muna yan sa kanila bago ka bumuo ng isang masaya at masaganang pamilya. Ali, give a moment for yourself, thank your parents. After that, you can follow. Everyone, palakpakan naman po natin.
When you need to speak your mind, I will listen.
Nakakaiyak naman yan. Ano ba yan? Ayan, nadadala ka. Nanay ko naman. Ito kasi ate nag-iiyak na doon. Umiyak si ate Lee. Iiyak na din yun. Ayun
And now, may we request all the guests to please all stand? Bakit po may umiiyak?
Nakakaiyak eh. Nakakaiyak eh.
Can you face each other as you join your hands?
Nahahawat